Hello. After a long time without posting any video, without publishing any of my thoughts, readings, I am back. But I'm back to talk about the importance of staying connected to the nature. It started raining, so I would be walking. I at this time I like to share these thoughts walking somewhere or in this in the place where I like to stay at times, uh, at a nearby square. Well, I went for a walk. I went for a walk. I went for a trip, and I like to say that I went for a walk, but at times are what I'm saying is that I just traveled to some to a different place. Actually, I traveled to a place where I've been to before, and I went to a high peak. I don't know. I don't have the information here now. I can check this right now on the internet. Well, it's a high peak. I can give this information after because I plan to go back to this city. But the thing is, okay, traveling, yes, I like to go to different places, I like to travel. But what I want to say is the importance to stay connected with the nature. And in order to be connected to nature, you have to go for walking. You have to discover new places. And I'm gonna share anything that I learned through this because I, I once said that in a video in another channel that I no longer have this channel. But life itself is made of cycles. Our life is made of cycles. And at times, it's very important to go for a walk and to go to a place where a different place and especially connected to nature. Staying away of noise because this is a way to reconnect, to see who you are within, to see the things that you truly want, to rediscover yourself. Let your old you die to the new you born, to the new you be born. Allowing your old allowing your old you die for your new you be born. It's necessary. You're feeling overwhelmed somehow, and then you go for a walk, you see the horizon. You go to a high place, a high mountain, and you see the horizon all over around, north, south, east, west. Yeah. It's necessary, but it's very, very crucial to stay connected with the nature. Because nature, everything's natural. You see the trees, you see the plants, you listen to the wind. Everything is connected to its perfect harmony. And the big cities, what do we have in the big cities? Stress, stressed people. And these stress add up, adds up over time, and it's not healthy. So do yourself a favor, be your company, and take yourself to the nature. Date yourself and take yourself to the nature. Spend some time in nature. It doesn't need to be that big trip. You don't need to cross all the country to do it. That trip that I've done, that I did, was a very cheap trip. Which, by the way, from this time forward, I'm gonna enjoy the cheap trips. I don't need so much. I don't need to go to the other place, the other place of the world, of the country, let alone world, to enjoy myself, to discover yourself. Just go for a walk and share your experience to people. Share what you learned through this moment you had with yourself. And if you're traveling with somebody, make sure to travel with people that you both of you resonate with each other. Both of you will have awesome, nice conversations about the things you enjoy, about life, about nature, about how perfect the harmony of life itself, of nature itself, can heal us. Have this kind of people in your life. You're gonna be blessed. In this trip, I had conversation with a friend, conversations with. I met up with another friend. But there's a friend especially that I had that awesome conversations, with her, and I needed to have these types of conversations. So travel, not to just stay with you. It's very interesting, but travel to see somebody you resonate with, somebody that both of you, when you sit down and have conversations, it feels like the time is not. You feel present when you have awesome people to have conversations with. Spend time in nature, and then you somehow will feel better. If you're not feeling well, if you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, if you're feeling anxiety, I know how I feel. I know how I feel. Go spend some time in nature. And if you have people around that are like-minded people, have awesome conversations as well. So this is the message. Thank you. Take good care. See you next time. Bye.